if I told you that in 2026 you don't have to wait for science fiction anymore, because the future is already for sale? Humanoid robots that can clean your home, work in factories, greet customers, perform on stage, and even have conversations are no longer prototypes hidden inside research labs. They're real products, and some of them are already being deployed around the world. But here's the crazy part. Some of these robots cost less than a brand new luxury car, while others are worth more than a house. Some are built to replace dangerous jobs, others are designed to become your personal assistant, and one of them even has warm skin that feels almost human. So which humanoid robot is actually worth buying? Which one is the smartest? And which company is leading the race toward the future? In today's video, we're counting down 10 incredible humanoid robots you can actually buy in 2026. From Tesla's Optimus and Boston Dynamics Atlas to the most advanced AI-powered robots you've probably never heard of. Trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end, because the final robot might completely change the way you think about the future of humanity. Let's get started. AGIBOT. AGIBOT is making a serious move in the world of embodied AI. At its 2026 partner conference, the company unveiled a new generation of robots and foundation models built for one clear goal: taking physical AI out of the lab and into the real world. And this is not just about flashy demos. AGIBOT is pushing what it calls a one robotic body, three intelligences architecture, which basically means one full-stack system designed for motion, manipulation, and interaction, all working together. One of the biggest highlights is the A3 humanoid. It stands 173 centimeters tall, weighs 55 kilograms, and is built for high-energy environments like entertainment, retail, and education. It even supports synchronized multi-robot performances, which sounds incredible in real-world use. Then there's the G2 Air, a compact mobile robot designed for human-robot collaboration. It is lightweight, fast, and made for structured tasks in places like logistics, hospitality, and industrial workflows. AGIBOT also introduced advanced hand systems like the OmniHand 3 Ultra T, made for precise manipulation, plus the D2 Max, a new all-terrain quadruped built for inspection, rescue, and field operations. And to support all of that, AGIBOT launched MiGo, a body-free data collection system designed to scale up physical AI training. The message is clear. AGIBOT is not just building robots, it is building the infrastructure for the next phase of intelligent machines. Tesla, Optimus Gen 2. Imagine having a robot that can help build cars during the day and help clean your house at night. That's exactly the future Tesla is aiming for with Optimus Gen 2. When Tesla first revealed Optimus, many people thought it was just another ambitious concept. But with every new update, it's becoming clear that Elon Musk's vision is getting closer to reality. Standing about 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighing around 57 kilograms, Optimus Gen 2 has received a major upgrade. It's lighter, moves much more naturally, and its redesigned joints give it better flexibility and precision. Whether it's lifting boxes in a factory, organizing tools, or handling simple household chores, the robot is designed to perform repetitive tasks safely and efficiently. But what really makes Optimus special isn't just its hardware, it's the brain behind it. Powered by Tesla's advanced artificial intelligence, the robot can learn from real-world experience, improve over time, and adapt to new situations. Instead of following the same routine every day, Optimus is built to become smarter the more it works. That's a huge step toward creating a truly useful humanoid assistant. And here's the part that surprises most people. Tesla hopes to eventually sell Optimus for around $30,000. If that actually happens, it could become one of the first humanoid robots that's affordable enough for businesses, and maybe even ordinary families. We're still in the early days, but one thing is becoming clear. Optimus Gen 2 isn't just a glimpse of the future. It might actually be the beginning of it. 1X, Neo. What if the robot in your house was not a sci-fi fantasy, but something you could actually pre-order? That is exactly what 1X is trying to do with NEO. It is a general-purpose humanoid robot built for the home, designed to work safely and naturally around people instead of in a lockdown factory environment. 1X says NEO is now available for pre-order, with US deliveries starting in 2026, and the design is all about everyday life. NEO stands about 1.67 meters tall, weighs just 30 kilograms, and uses 22 degrees of freedom in each hand for more natural movement and handling. It is also built to be quiet, soft, and safe for home use, with 1X highlighting autonomous operation, guided learning through expert mode, and household tasks like tidying, object handling, and basic assistance. What makes NEO even more interesting is that it is not meant to stay static. 1X says it learns over time, starting with basic autonomy and improving through real-world use and remote guidance when needed. The company also lists a 4-hour battery life, consumer pre-order options, and early access pricing that starts at $20,000 ownership or $499 per month. So, NEO is not just another robot reveal. It is one of the clearest signs yet that home humanoids are moving from concept to reality. Electric Atlas. At CES 2026, Boston Dynamics showed the world a very different kind of Atlas. This is no longer just the robot people know for flips and parkour. It is now being positioned as an enterprise humanoid built for real industrial work like material handling, intelligent automation, and order fulfillment. And that shift matters. Boston Dynamics says Atlas is electric, autonomous, and designed to work safely and efficiently in dynamic workplaces. The company's goal is not just to impress people on a stage, it is to make humanoid robots useful on actual factory floors. What makes this even bigger is that Atlas already has deployments lined up. Boston Dynamics said all Atlas deployments for 2026 are fully committed, with fleets set to ship to Hyundai's Robotics Metaplant Application Center and Google DeepMind in the coming months, while new customer slots are expected in early 2027. Hyundai is also building the training side of this rollout through its Robot Metaplant Application Center, which it describes as a hub for training and validating AI robotics solutions using real manufacturing data. So Atlas is not just a robotics demo anymore. It is becoming one of the clearest signs that humanoid robots are moving from wow factor to real-world productivity. NEURA Robotics 4NE-1. Now this one is interesting. NEURA Robotics 4NE-1 is not trying to be just another humanoid robot demo. It is being built for something much bigger. Real collaboration with people, in real environments, without all the usual robotics limitations. And that is what makes it stand out. Standing 1.8 meters tall and weighing around 80 kilograms, 4NE-1 is designed to move naturally through human spaces while handling a wide range of tasks. It is built for domestic, service, and industrial use, which means the same robot could potentially help at home, in a workplace, or on a production floor. What makes 4NE-1 especially impressive is the way it sees and reacts to the world. NEURA says it comes with advanced 3D vision, tactile feedback, and multimodal interaction systems. So it is not just moving blindly through space, it is actually interpreting what is around it and responding in a smarter way. And then there is the strength. With a payload capacity of 100 kilograms, this is not a lightweight assistant built for simple showcase tasks. It is meant to be useful, practical, and capable of doing serious work. That combination of cognitive processing and adaptive locomotion is what makes 4NE-1 feel like a real step forward. Because this is where robotics is heading, not just machines that look human, but machines that can truly work with us. Figure AI Figure 03. Figure AI is taking a very different path with Figure 03. This is not just another flashy robot demo. It is a general-purpose humanoid built for real life, powered by Figure's Helix AI system, which runs perception, movement, and reasoning on board in real time. Figure says the robot is designed to learn and act on its own without following a script, and the hardware is built for that mission. Figure 03 stands about 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighs around 61 kilograms, can carry up to 20 kilograms, and runs for about 5 hours. Figure also says the robot was redesigned with a new sensory suite, a new hand system, and a manufacturing process built for scale. What makes Figure 03 especially interesting is the direction it points in. Figure has said the robot is meant for the home, but also for the wider world at scale, including commercial use. The company has already announced a deployment agreement with Catalyst Brands to bring its humanoids into distribution and logistics operations. So Figure 03 is not just about looking advanced, it is about building a humanoid that can actually do useful work in real environments at real scale. And that is the difference between a prototype and the future. Deep robotics. Not every humanoid robot is built for clean factory floors or futuristic showrooms. Some are built to survive the toughest environments, and that's exactly where Deep Robotics DR02 comes in. Unlike many humanoid robots focused on homes or customer service, the DR02 is engineered for heavy industrial work, whether it's inspecting dangerous facilities, supporting manufacturing, or operating in harsh outdoor conditions. This robot is designed to keep working where humans often can't. Standing 1.75 meters tall and weighing around 65 kilograms, DR02 combines a rugged frame with impressive performance. It can carry payloads of up to 20 kilograms and reach speeds of 4 meters per second, making it one of the faster industrial humanoids in its class. But speed isn't its biggest strength. Durability is. The entire robot features IP66 rated protection, meaning it's built to resist dust, heavy rain, and demanding industrial environments. It also operates across a wide temperature range, allowing it to perform reliably in conditions that would challenge many other humanoid robots. To handle complex tasks, DR02 is equipped with an advanced sensor suite that continuously monitors its surroundings. This allows it to perform precision inspections, quality control, equipment monitoring, and industrial automation with a high level of accuracy. As industries continue to automate, robots like DR02 could become an essential part of factories, energy facilities, and critical infrastructure around the world. Because the future of robotics isn't just about building smarter machines, it's about building robots that can work anywhere, no matter the conditions. AGIBOT A2 Ultra. Now this is where things start to feel real. AGIBOT's A2 Ultra is not being positioned as a lab robot or a concept piece. It is being presented as a full-size humanoid already moving into commercial deployment, with more than 1,000 units reportedly out in the real world. And that is a big deal. Standing 1.69 meters tall and weighing 69 kilograms, the A2 Ultra is built for practical use, not just for showing off on stage. It has 40 degrees of freedom, including a 6DOF dexterous hand, which gives it the kind of movement needed for reception work, event performance, and brand ambassador roles. What makes this robot stand out even more is the way AGIBOT is building it. The company says the A2 Ultra is made on an automotive-grade production process with safety certification across China, the US, and Europe. That gives it a level of credibility that most humanoid robots are still chasing. It is also designed for endurance, with a hot swappable battery system, fast charging support, and walking speeds of up to 1.2 meters per second. The A2 Ultra is clearly built for long commercial shifts rather than short demo clips. Battery life sits at around 3 hours standing or 1.5 plus hours walking, which is solid for a robot already being used in exhibitions, entertainment, and customer-facing environments. So, while a lot of humanoid robots are still trying to prove they can work, the A2 Ultra is already out there trying to prove something bigger, that humanoids can actually become part of everyday business. DroidUp. DroidUp's Moya is one of the most unusual humanoid robots ever shown to the public. This is not a robot trying to look like a machine, it is trying to feel human. Moya is a biomimetic humanoid developed in Shanghai by DroidUp, and the company is positioning it as the world's first fully biomimetic embodied AI robot. And the first thing people notice is the realism. Moya stands about 1.65 meters tall, weighs around 32 kilograms, and is designed with a warm synthetic skin surface that stays between 32 and 36 degrees Celsius. It also uses facial micro-expressions, eye cameras, and a human-like walking system that the company and reporting describe at roughly 92% human-like gait accuracy. That walking speed is not built for racing, it is built for presence. Moya is clearly aimed at settings where human interaction matters most: healthcare, education, retail, museums, and elder care. In other words, places where the robot is supposed to comfort, greet, and communicate, not just lift boxes. Now let's talk price. Public reporting has placed Moya at around $173,000 to $176,000, which makes it a premium institutional robot rather than anything close to a consumer product. That kind of pricing puts it in the same conversation as research and enterprise humanoids, not home assistants. So how does Moya compare? Against a mecha, Moya is much more physically expressive and far more human in appearance, while a mecha is officially positioned as a social humanoid for entertainment, education, and engagement, with 61 degrees of freedom and indoor-only use. Against Xpeng's next-gen Iron, Moya feels more emotional and companion-like, while Iron is aimed more at scale, commercial deployment, and industrial readiness, with 82 degrees of freedom, 22 degrees of freedom in the hand, and a highly anthropomorphic design built around Xpeng's physical AI stack. My take? Moya is less about brute usefulness and more about psychological realism. It is a robot designed to close the uncanny gap between machine and human. And whether you find that fascinating or unsettling, one thing is clear: DroidUp has built one of the most memorable humanoids in the entire robotics race, Noetix Hobbs W1. If you want a humanoid robot that feels less like a machine and more like a presence, Noetix Hobbs W1 is one of the most interesting ones to watch. Noetix positions it as a wheeled bionic robot built for real-world interaction with a focus on public-facing and service environments. What makes Hobbs W1 stand out immediately is the face. Noetix says it uses a lifelike bionic head with 32 active degrees of freedom and 8 passive degrees of freedom, plus special platinum silicone skin, so its expressions and lip movements feel much more natural during conversation. And this is not just about looks. The robot is built on a wheeled platform with 54 active degrees of freedom overall, plus 5 DOF robotic arms and 6 DOF dexterous hands, giving it real manipulation ability for reception, guidance, and interaction tasks. Noetix also highlights its AI-driven interaction system, saying Hobbs W1 can understand context, generate matching mouth shapes in real time, recognize emotions, and support natural conversation. The platform also uses multimodal sensing and autonomous navigation for indoor movement and obstacle avoidance. So, in simple terms, Hobbs W1 is not trying to be a factory robot. It is being shaped as a professional scene all-rounder for places like hospitality, retail, education, and corporate environments where appearance, communication, and smooth movement matter just as much as raw technical power. And that is what makes it so unusual. It is not just a robot you look at. It is a robot you are supposed to talk to. And that's our list of 10 humanoid robots you can actually buy in 2026. Which one impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos on AI, robotics, and future technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.